Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the bumper vacancies of 780 assistant professor vacancies from the different state government colleges, and the selection process will be purely based upon the interview. Okay, so let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so first I am going to show you the departments here. So Adhyapak Sahayak vacancies subject wise list. You can check down the subjects or English, philosophy, economics, geography, Indian culture, political science, commerce, accountancy, banking, business management, textile and clothing, human development, home science, computer science, botany, zoology, biology, chemistry, physics, maths, microbiology, industrial chemistry, biochemistry. So total for arts, science and commerce faculty 697 vacancies are there, and coming to the law faculty 19 vacancies are there. And for the B.Ed faculty, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Gujarati, social science, maths, accountancy, commerce, economics and Urdu. So total 55 vacancies are there under the B.Ed faculty. And coming to the rural studies faculty, economics and agronomy 2 vacancies, and the physical education 7 vacancies. So here the total number of vacancies all over the different departments, total 780 vacancies are there. So the candidates who are having post graduation in these departments and UGC NET or the PhD qualification, then you may apply to this one, guys. And here as per the caste category also, they divided the number of vacancies here, the subject wise. You can check down in this table. Okay, so for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And it is from the Commissionerate of Higher Education from Gujarat. So online applications will be accepted from 1st December 2020 to 21st December 2020. Okay, so it is the process here, and you may apply from any state, guys. So it based upon the some state norms, okay, Gujarat state norms, you may check down. And the qualification for Adhyapak Sahayak in education B.Ed, so master's degree with a minimum 55% of marks and a M.Ed with at least 55% of marks. The candidate must have passed the NET conducted by the UGC and CSIR or similar test accredited by the UGC SLET or SET. Only the candidates with PhD degree as per the criteria mentioned in the condition number are exempted from the NET or SLET. And coming to the law colleges, good academic record as defined by the concerned university with at least 55%. And besides fulfilling the above qualification, NET, SLET or GSET, only the candidates with PhD degree as per the condition number 5 are exempted from the NET or SLET. And coming to the qualification for Adhyapak Sahayak in Physical Education College as per the NCTE regulation, and for BRS colleges, the qualification required is agronomy subject, BRS college as per the UGC regulation 2018, and for economic subject as per the UGC regulation 2018. So BA Economics, BRS Economics and MA Economics, MRS Economics with NET or SLET or PhD. So here R is given, so you may check down. And the reservation categories, the relaxation of 5% will be provided. So you may check down the conditions here. And coming to the pay scale, for 5 years you will be on probation period and you are going to get 40,176 rupees. And after completion of 5 years, then based upon the satisfactory work and the verification of workload, the proposal of concerned college, The Adhyapak Sahayak will be observed in the prevalent regular pay scale of Government of Gujarat. And here the different merit calculations are given here. So how many marks you are going to get as per the graduate level, postgraduate level, MPhil, PhD, NET with JRF or only NET, GSLET or GSET. Okay, publications of research papers. So all these things are given here. And the procedure for document verification and oral interview. So all the candidates have to remain present on time at the place of decided for verification of application and oral interview at his or her own expenses without fail. So there will be direct interview, guys. So based upon the applications you send, they will be called for the interview, and the number of seats to be filled, the number of candidates to be called for the oral interview. So you can check down here the ratio also. Okay, so these are all the details. Fine. So eligible candidates have to apply online during the dates mentioned in the newspaper advertisement. So click on this website, and all the candidates has to register on the website. Okay, and you have to check all the instructions carefully before filling the online application form. And the application fee is 250 rupees. And while coming to the candidates from disabled, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category have to pay 100 rupees. Okay, so these are the details, guys. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for such type of opportunities or looking for such type of notifications. Okay, and the candidates preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.